Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you guys a little bit about Scratch Junior and computer programming. Before we start, I want to explain a little bit about what computer programming is. Computer programming is giving the computer a series of tasks so that it can complete a larger task called a program. And the way we do this is by using specific commands to the computer. And we'll learn a little bit about this in Scratch Junior. So to get started, let's select this house here on the left. This will bring us to the Projects menu, and to make a new project, you click this piece of paper with a plus on it. So this brings us into our project, and this is where we'll do all the programming. So as you see in the middle here, there's a cat, and you can move this cat around by clicking and dragging it with your finger. Now, if we want to give it a background, we can select the background and go through these pictures to decide. I'm going to pick this farm here. You guys can choose whatever background you want for it. So now we have the cat here. And so what's special about this cat is it's called a sprite. And so sprites have this special ability that we're able to tell them what to do, and they'll execute those commands. So we can add in new sprites by clicking this piece of paper here. But I'm not going to do that yet. Instead, let's try to get the cat to move. To get the cat to move, we need to start with one of these yellow blocks. Most commonly, you'll probably use this green flag one. What this green flag one does is when you click this green flag at the top, it will execute the code. So let's try to get the cat to move. To get the cat to move, we select this blue button here, and this will bring us all our movement options. Let's try to have him move one step to the right. We can do that by selecting the block and dragging it onto the yellow block until it pops into place. And then we click the green flag, and he moves to the right one. If we want him to move to the right a little more, we can select a number and then have him move over that amount. All right, and then to delete things, you can just drag them and put them where you got the blocks and they'll go away. Let's try to get the cat to throw a ball. To do that, we can grab a ball. There should be some balls towards the bottom here. I'll let you guys pick whichever one you want. I'm going to pick this red one. So now we can drag that ball in front of the cat, and we'll have him throw it. So to have him throw it, it'll be a lot like having the cat move. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick this green flag, then we're going to have it move to the right a certain amount. I'll have mine move 10. Let's try it. So now we see that it moves to the right 10, but we want it to move up into the air and then down, so it looks like he's throwing it. So to do this, we add in another green flag, and this time we're going to have it go up. Let's have it go up 5. So that's starting to look pretty good, but now we need it to move down, so we can have it move down with the down arrow. Let's have that move 5 down too, so that it's back on the ground when it lands. That's starting to look really good. Now, how about let's have a dog chase after the ball. Let's click the white piece of paper to add a new dog thing. I'm going to select this dog, but you guys can choose whichever sprite you want. Now we have the dog here. Let's move it so that he's near there. Let's have him chase after the ball. To do this, we'll select a green flag and have him move a certain amount. Let's have him move 10. So that's good because it looks like he's chasing after the ball, but now we need him to move upwards a little bit. So to do that, we select another green flag and have him move up. Let's try having him move up 3. Part of this does involve a little bit of guessing to see how that works. So that's starting to look really good. Now we need the ball and the dog to turn around and bring it back to the cat. To do that, we tell the dog to go left. Let's have him go left about 8 and see if he'll bring the ball back then. So he grabs the ball and then he turns around and stops at the cat, which is good, but we need the ball to move too. So let's select the ball sprite, and then let's have the ball turn around when the dog gets it. Let's have the ball move back 10. That's starting to look pretty good. Now, maybe you guys want to go try out stuff on your own. So to do this, I'd recommend you guys check out the Explore menu for inspiration. To do this, click that orange house at the top, then click the blue question mark. Here you can see some sample projects. So for example, if we click this bump one, what's really neat about this is you can look in and you can see the code between the various things and how they work. So for example, in this one, when we click the green flag here, the ducks, when they bump into each other, react and move. If we go back, we can try another one. How about the farm one? And what that'll do is when we tap the animals, they make noises.
Oink, oink, oink. Nay. Bark, 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 bark.
And so as you can see, there's various blocks that you can learn to use to make. So I hope this was a fun intro to Scratch, and I encourage you guys to play around with it on yourself and see what kind of cool things you can make. See you guys later.